Hi participants, very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu, I welcome all the participants from all over India for this 3-day online workshop on corrosion and its control, which is going to be held for 3 days from 2nd June to 4th June 2020. This workshop is jointly organized by Chemistry Department of B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu and Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Patil Pratishthan's Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Pune. Dear participants, I am Dr. S. Kuttirani, Dean for the School of Physical and Chemical Sciences and Professor of Chemistry from B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. At the outset, I would like to thank our management for having given us the opportunity to collaborate with Dr. Patil Pratishthan's Institute of Research and Management in organizing this workshop. I would also like to thank Dr. Anupama V. Patil, Principal of this Institute, Pune, in recognizing our institute to organize the workshop. Dear participants, as you all know, corrosion is a significant challenge to most of the industries in the world as it causes disasters and heavy financial loss. At this juncture, I would like to congratulate Dr. Ishwaramurthy, co-convener of this workshop and Professor and HOD of Chemistry Department, and Dr. Revati Purushottaman, Coordinator and Resource Person of this workshop and Associate Professor of Chemistry Department from B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, and Dr. Sunil, HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, Mr. Anket B. Kolkor and Mr. Vishal Bansod, Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Patil Institute for identifying the correct topic for this online workshop during this lockdown period. I take this opportunity to bring it to the kind attention of all the participants a very brief information about our institute and our department. Our institute, B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, a deemed to be university formerly known as B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Engineering College, was established in the year 1984 and later blossomed as a premier institution for higher education and research in the year 2009. Our institute was accredited with A grade by NAAC, and our institute envisages upholding excellence in teaching, research and consultancy. Almost all our UG and PG programs are accredited by NBA. Our institute offers both UG and PG programs in engineering, management, arts and science, pharmacy, law and architecture. And regarding the Department of Chemistry, the Department of Chemistry emerged as a full-fledged department in the year 2009 and offered program leading to MSc and PhD degrees. This department has 16 faculty members with a PhD qualification. Faculty members are having expertise in contemporary research areas such as solar cells, dye-sensitized solar cells, photocatalysis, wastewater treatment, synthesis of semiconducting, polymeric, nano and catalytic materials for various applications, and we are also synthesizing number of organic compounds for pharmacological applications. Our chemistry department has got number of sophisticated instruments such as infrared HPLC, infrared spectroscopy, HPLC, GC and other instruments. In this connection, I request the participants to kindly look into our website for more details about the instruments available in our department. Our department faculty members have been continuously receiving funds from various central government funding agencies. So far we have received the fund to the tune of 2.6 crores. Our faculty members are continuously publishing papers in reputed journals with a high impact factor, and because of their effort, the H index of our department is now 23 and the total citations comes around 1700. With these few words, I once again extend a warm welcome to all the participants from all over India and I hope that every one of you will be highly benefited by attending this workshop. Thank you.
I am Revati Purushothaman, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry of B.S. Abdurrahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. I am glad to welcome all the participants who have joined this workshop on corrosion and its control, conducted by Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Pune, and B.S. Abdurrahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. When I went through the list of participants, I could see the participants from almost all the states of India, that is from north, south, east and west. We did not anticipate this overwhelming crowd. We expected about 250 participants, but as of now, we have about 800. We actually planned one live session daily, followed by 3 YouTube video links. Because most of us have data problem, we cannot afford to watch all the sessions live. And due to this lockdown period, we cannot expect everyone to sit in front of the computer the whole day. So we thought these videos could be watched at your own pace and your own flexible timings. But fortunately or unfortunately, due to this large number of participants, we are unable to go for the live session. We also tried YouTube live streaming, which did not work due to bandwidth issues. Hence, we decided to conduct the whole workshop with YouTube links. So we deeply regret for the same. But in a way, it's good as we will not have distractions and disconnections due to poor audio and video problems in live sessions which we were suffering from during the webinar sessions in lockdown period. We will now move on to the program schedule. On day 1, that is June 2nd, 2020, we start with the welcome address which you have already seen, and now we are looking into the overview of the workshop. After this, you'll be sent YouTube links on chemical corrosion or dry corrosion, differential aeration corrosion, galvanic corrosion and pitting corrosion. That is, we are going to look into the types of corrosions. Followed by this, after 4 p.m., you'll be sent quiz by Google Forms. You need to finish this quiz and submit the same within the stipulated time. On day 2, that is 3rd June of 2020, you'll again be sent 4 video links on stress corrosion, electroplating, sacrificial anodic protection and impressed current cathodic protection. That is, both are cathodic protection types. So after finishing the types of corrosion, we are moving on to the protective methods or control methods. At the end, again after 4 p.m., a quiz will be released by Google Forms and you need to finish and submit it. On day 3, that is the concluding day, on 4th June 2020, after finishing all the control methods, that is electroless plating, galvanizing and tinning video links will be given, followed by which corrosion measurement techniques will be presented by Dr. Aniket B. Kolekar, who will present the vote of thanks after this. That is, we have covered types of corrosion, corrosion control, and finally the corrosion measurement techniques. At the end of this day, you will again be sent a quiz and a feedback form. Please try to finish all the quizzes and submit the feedback form in time. Only those participants who complete all the quizzes and submit the feedback form will be given the e-certificate. I request all the participants to successfully complete the workshop and get the e-certificate with the same enthusiasm which you had when you joined. So I thank each and every participant who has joined this workshop. Hope this workshop will be beneficial to all of you. Thank you very much.